So look what just arrived. So welcome. I'm going to not show my address on here. In Amazon, the delivery. I haven't actually pulled it completely out. Yay! The actual book. Gosh, it's really heavy. It's a meaty book. Wow. So thank you, Jodie and Dan. This is the first time introducing volume 6 of the #1 best-selling series. I believe that will probably change and have the #1 bestseller on there. I love it. Wow. So let's have a look. I've actually got another copy that is going to be gifted. So 365 soulful messages, the right guidance at the right time, with over 200 soulful contributors. Yay! There's dedication in there. And let's see if I can find my name. I believe I'm 50 something. So that is the book. I don't know if you can see that. Oh gosh, I should have done this beforehand. I believe. Where am I? I definitely should have done this beforehand. I can't find me. I'm on 50 something or 60 something. I thought I was on 59. You know, when you look for something and you can't find it. Rainbows. Ah, there we go. Yeah, 59. Time to turn wounds into wisdom. Yay! Iona meade in there. And so many beautiful, amazing authors. No turning back on a dream. So many questions. Butterflies speaking. I have that for butterflies. Trusting the signs. I'll have to do, hey, Mama, look. Yay, the book. Yours is here. Yours is there. Oh gosh, I dropped it, sorry. Get that scent. Yay, did you see it? Did you see it? Your daughter, are you proud? You're proud, aren't you? Hang on. Time to turn wounds into wisdom, Mama. Hang on. Do you see my name? Yay! I was just doing some recording. There's lots of messages in here from some amazing authors. There's a lot of info. It's really thick book, but it's just designed to have, there's loads, look. So I haven't seen this book yet. And so until now, learn to create your own miracles. Love it. And so there's an introduction. I'll have a look. So you're seeing it at the same time as I am. So each piece is just actually a short message from guidance or signs or just soulful messages. So I'm really excited. I'll see what, oh, wow. Let's see if I can find mine. Page 59. Yay. There you go. This one. That one. Iona meade. How cool is that? So I think the way that it's actually created is to do, like, throughout the year, do one message per day. So that's why it's 365. I love it. Yay. I'm going to read my own piece. Right, Mama. I love you. Thank you for your support. And I shall send you the big fat book. I should have got it delivered straight to yours because now we have to do the re-delivery. Or I might sign it and hand deliver it to you. How about that? But I love you. I shall speak to you soon. Mwah. Bye, Mommy. My mama.